Alright guys, today I'm here to tell you about 3 new products from our friends over at TOMEIUSA. We have the UEL manifold here, we have an EL manifold, and we have a new joint pipe. So, what's so new and special about these? Well, they are an improved design specifically for the FA24 with larger runners. So we can take a look here. Some of these runners are quite a bit larger. These are going to come in at 45 versus the other ones that used to come in at around 42. So more displacement, more volume for the FA24. You can see the quality on the flanges here are just top notch. They've actually improved some of those. The locations of these are actually different. The header itself will fit first and second generation. It is just a little bit different. So I kind of want to bring this announcement to you guys. There are some tube differences, some shape differences. As you notice, some of you guys might be wondering what this bar is actually for, and this is for shipping. So this will actually keep this product in place during temperature changes, after manufacturing and things like that. Way back in the day when people started doing these would actually shift. So this is really good that they do that. It's not needed for the install or anything like that. It's just for shipping, so you're going to remove those. It will come with the 2 provisions for the O2 bungs. And again, everything is really good on these. The quality is top notch. Take a look at these measurements here on this flange. So I'm coming in at about a 42 millimeter here. So these are also a little bit larger openings. So guys, I really want to emphasize the welds. Look at the quality of this. Look at the flange. This is a cast flange. It's got the Tomei logo on there. So everything they do is branded and made by them and designed by them. So I want to show you guys the inside of the UEL. You can see, look at that quality in there. So guys, I'm going to bring out UEL for the FA20, and I'm going to give you guys a quick comparison just so you guys can see the difference. I do want to note that every manifold, even the ones I'm showing you, include wrap material. They include all the necessary hardware, gaskets, bolts, they call it thick paste, that's for all your bolts. They have an actual emblem, plus the stickers, and a license plate frame. So very, very thorough kit here. And this will have all instructions right here on the YouTube videos or anything on the Instagram, stuff like that. These are the straps for the actual header wrap. And we'll put this on the table, we'll compare the UELs, and I'll actually talk a little bit about what's the difference between a UEL and an EL manifold. What's the difference here? The slight design changes, you can see the shape of this runner right here is coming back and around underneath, where this one is a little bit less, or change of the actual shape. If you put it right next to each other, you can kind of tell there. You can see that it's coming in and a little bit different. This one's coming out a lot more. If you guys have installed these, you guys know that the belly pan comes really close to this, and this will eliminate any vibration or anything like that. So just to show you guys the difference here, so these are coming in right around that 42 mark, and these are coming in right at that 45. So you got 2.5 millimeters more. So now what I want to talk to you guys about is I want to talk a little bit about the UEL versus the EL. The biggest difference is RPM range power. So this is going to have mid-range power, which I believe is great for daily driving. This is going to be the more popular of the 2 manifolds. This is also going to create that rumble that you get on the boxer motor. The EL is going to create more power up top, all the way up to redline. Sales have increased on these as people are finding out that they do make more power up top, and they are a little bit better suited for like actual track use, and this is a little bit better suited for daily driving. So you guys have to decide between the 2 different manifolds. So again, I'm just going to recap. I'm going to tell you what I told you. It's larger diameters, updated flanges, updated locations of some of these braces and things like that. And the larger diameter is going to matter for the FA24 or any boosted cars or anything like that, like supercharged cars, not turbo obviously. One of the other differences between equal and unequal length is the runner length. So these are equal length runners. This is also considered a 4 to 2 to 1 design, where your unequal length has unequal. This is a really short side runner here. This is a longer runner here, and they actually merge into one. So this is a 4 to 1 design, and this is a 4 to 2 to 1. watching this, these will be available. These are brand new, fresh released, brand new design from scratch with a lot of improvements. I would assume the retail pricing is going to be very similar to what you guys have expected from the Tomei products. The quality is going to be as good as all the other products that we do sell from Tomei. And take it from me, I know I love Tomei products. I want to thank Tomei for actually reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to review these. I've had a long time relationship with Tomei USA. I've also recently visited their facility in Japan during last year's Tokyo Auto Salon. So I'll show you guys some clips. I've met the head engineer, the design team, the president. So everybody there is super friendly, super awesome, very Japanese, and great company to work with. We love their products. So I hope you guys do too. We'll see you guys on the next video.